Hello, my name is Pullein and welcome to this beginner's guide to setting up Todoist. Now, first of all, let me congratulate you on downloading or signing up for a Todoist account. Todoist is, in my opinion, the best to-do list manager out there. Not only is its user interface beautiful and simple, but that is at the core what Todoist is. It's simple and yet it still has a lot of powerful features that you will want to use once you get to know how to use it. Now, the key with Todoist is start simple. You don't need to create a complex system straight away. All you need to do is learn how to use the basics. Now, when you start learning to use how the basics, you will start experiencing the power of what Todoist can do for you. So this course is all about getting you set up. It's a very, very basic course. I'm not going to go into a lot of the details of Todoist because I have a YouTube channel with over 200 videos on there, which will go into a lot more of the power features when you are ready. This course is essentially an onboarding course to get you started, and I hope that in the future you are going to get a lot of value from Todoist, and it's going to help you to become much better organized and more productive. Okay, so let's get straight into it with the first lesson on Todoist.